Hi, how long does it usually take to write a report, site inspection report, like this one? Couple hours or maybe more? I can show you how you can create a similar report in less than 5 minutes. So all you need are video clips, which you can capture during site inspection. Short video clips, 5-10 seconds, with your narration, in which you describe what's the progress and what are the problems. After that, you go to Site Report Builder and choose report type. In our case, that will be site report, site inspection. Let's choose time of site inspection. Enter report details, address, weather, trades on site, and who conducted report. On the next step, we add video clips. So these video clips will demonstrate progress. If you hover over, you can see screenshots. You can remove some of them if you see duplicates, because usually system pulls 2 screenshots from each video. On the next step, we will be adding video for deficiencies or issues. Files are uploaded. Now we can move to the next step and review report details and files which we included. If you want, you can change order of files. Just hover over, see screenshots or watch a video.
Install insulation behind panels.
And if you believe that this video should be higher or lower, just move it. If you're happy with what you entered, click Generate Report. It will probably take a couple of minutes. On this page, while waiting for the report, you can add company logo, company name, address, and report is ready. If you want, you can edit description of text or edit it with artificial intelligence. You can shorten, rephrase. You can remove screenshots on this page. You can draw on images. And type text if you want. Overall recommendation section, you can hide it if you don't need it. Now it's time to send report. And report is done. Now you can share it. Download it in PDF or doc format. I didn't click. Downloading. There are a few more tools which you might find useful. This is translate. We can translate a generated report to different languages. I can show you how to do that in a second after our report is downloaded. Yeah, here we go, it's downloaded. Oh, looks good. Translation. You can choose language and report will be translated. These instruments would help you to take notes. You can take voice notes. You can speech. You can talk, and your speech will be transcribed, or you can enter text. Or you can type. Ask AI will help you to answer your questions without leaving Site Report Builder. Next, I will show you really quick how you can organize your projects or your reports. So if you have a client or object you want to be used as a hub for these reports or folder for these reports, just create a name for that project and assign reports which belong to that project. Now you can find reports if you go to projects and choose that project. Same as you can find notes on the same page. It's my reports page. That's a brief overview of Site Report Builder functionality. If you have any questions, please send us email to support@sitereportbuilder.com and we'll be happy to help you. Or you can always click on this chat and we will answer your questions. Thanks for watching. Bye.